Welcome back to Cocktails for Quarantines. Today we're going to make a gimlet. It's a very traditional cocktail that's still very popular, very tasty, and easy to put together. It's just 3 ingredients: gin, lime juice, and simple syrup. Today we're going to use Broker's Premium London Dry Gin. Usually comes in the store with a little bowler cap on it, very cute, but it's well-balanced, wonderful gin, and it's great in a gimlet. We're also gonna throw in a little bit of grapefruit bitters just to make the citrus pop. So let's get going. We're actually gonna use 2.5 ounces of our gin. We'll put that into our shaker. There's 1.5 and 2. We're gonna go 2 dashes of the grapefruit bitters and 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. Some people make their gimlets with Rose's lime juice. I'm not gonna tell you you shouldn't, but you shouldn't. Keep some fresh limes around the house. Helps protect against scurvy, and it's great in a cocktail like this. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and we're off. Ice in your shaker, and we're gonna shake the heck out of this. We're gonna shake it for 30 seconds. Shoulders get a little tired, so. All right, should be good. I like to usually pre-chill coupe glass for this one. Put some ice water in it, let it sit for a second. The glass gets cold. If we're not gonna have ice in your drink, it's good to have a cold glass to start with, so that your drink doesn't warm up once you put it in the glass. I didn't pre-chill today. These are tough times, and sometimes you have to make sacrifices. Strain in here. Oh, it's beautiful. And I'm gonna cut a nice thin lime wheel. So it's still kind of translucent, and we're just gonna float that on top. And there's your gimlet. Enjoy. See you next time on Cocktails for Quarantines.
Cocktails